Now I'm going to two variable problems, dual simplex method. Dual simplex method. So take this one problem. Find, problem is given like this. Find the the dual of minimize minimize z is equal to x1 plus x2 subject to constraint 2x1 plus x2 greater than or equal to 2 minus x1 minus x2 greater than or equal to 1. So x1 comma x2 greater than or equal to 0, greater than or equal to 0. So this is it. So now the question is given dual. This is a very important point. Calculate the using the simplex method by dual only. Now the problem is given. This set is called as a primal. Better to convert to dual. The point is the next point is how to convert the value dual. So dual means opposite values. If the question is given minimization, you have to write down maximize, maximization. Z is equal to, take these two values after, so 2y1 plus 1y2. Now subject to constraints. So the first column value is 2 and minus 1. So here is a 2y1 minus y2, the corresponding value in the minimization objective function 1. So first you write down 1. If the first symbol is greater than or equal to, write down less than or equal to. Go to the second value 1 and 1. 1y1 minus 1y2. The second column value is 1. Write down 1. So this is the greater than to less than convert. So y1 comma y2 greater than or equal to 0. That's all. So primal to dual, already you know how to convert the equation. Now forget about the given question. Now this is your main question. Max dual is the main question. Now come to this point. So how to convert the equation less than, according to our basic concept, the problem is given less than or equal to and greater than or equal to. Less than means introduce yes, greater than means a and a yes. So conversion this one. So that is equal to 2y1 minus y2 plus 1s1 equal to 1. Next go to this 1y1 minus 1y2 plus 1s2 equal to 1, because inequality equations to equal equations. So this is equal, and y1 comma y2 s1 s2 greater than or equal to 0. Finish. Now how to convert the objective function of the maximization? This 2y1 plus 1y2 plus 0s1 plus 0s2. Finish. Now conversion is over. Next, solve. And now we are going to solve the problem. Better to introduce these variables to the simplex table. Now how to draw the simplex table here? So that is called simplex table. Simplex table. So same principle of a previous problem. So first we write down Ci. BV means basic variable. SV means solution value. X1, X2, S1, S2. The last column is minimum ratio. Minimum ratio. Okay. So minimum ratio. Now take this column. Please draw this column. It is a one column. This is another column. It is another column. It is another column, like this. So this is a fundamental point. Already you know, because already we solved the number of problems. Now take this one. Please draw this top row values like this, and like this. Okay, this is a Cj. Understand? Cj means top values, objective functions. 2. Okay, no, sorry. Instead of x1, introduce y1 only, sorry. So come to this point, better to remove this part and take, because we are in the y1 only. So this y, that's all. That's all. Now come to this point. Here is a y1, y2, not x1, x2, because dual. So 2, 1, 0 and 0. Now come to this point. Please introduce, because coefficients on the first equations 2, same procedure. 2 minus 1, 1, 0. Second one, 1 minus 1, 0, 1. What are the solution values after 1, 1? Here is unit matrix is available here only 1, 0, 0, 1. What are the corresponding value of 1? 0 S1, 0 S1, 0 S2. Okay. Now, so after that, please draw the horizontal line. Same procedure. Please continue the lines here. Continue the lines here. Like this. Like. The next value is ZJ. Understand? ZJ value. How to calculate the ZJ value? ZJ means, what is the basic formula for ZJ? Please refer to the previous problem. ZJ is nothing but sigma Ci into Yi, because here the problems contains Y. In previous problems, X. So 0 into 2 plus 0 into 1. Like this. 0 sigma means addition. 0 into 2 plus 0 into 1. That is equal to 0. Please write down 0 here. Go to second, of Y2 column value. 0 into minus 1 plus 0 into minus 1. 0. Go to this 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0, 0, same 0. Once Zj is over, next please draw this horizontal line. Next go to what are the next procedure? Cj minus Zj. So Cj minus Zj. What are the Cj here? Cj values are available. First row value, top row value 2. 2 minus 0, 2. 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 0, 0, 0. So that out of values which are present in the Cj minus Zj, all are positive. It means that select the maximum positive value, that is called as a key column. This is called as a key column. See, in this one, what is this? This is a key column and a key row. This is called as a key column and this is a key row. Key row. And this point is called as a key element. Key element. Understand? Now come to the minimum. How to calculate the minimum ratio values? SV by Kc. Solution value by key column. Solution value is 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2, it means 0.5. 1 divided by 1. So that is equal to 1 only. So out of these two, which is the minimum positive value? This is the minimum positive value. So for key column, select the maximum positive value. For key row, select the minimum positive value. So minimum positive value means this one. This one. And so yes, come to this point. So this is the key row. Please write down the key row. Key row is over. Next key row and key column, key row is over. Next, after that, go to the first iteration. So after that, better to introduce and this. So key row and key column indicates that we have to change the values in key row and key column first. It means 0 S1 and key column here is there, intersection. So that first you remove 0 S1, write down 2Y1. So that 2Y1, this is called as 0 S2 as it is, because there is no key row here. Next, come to this. Next, what is the next? Take a key element value. Take a key element value. Divide it to all elements which are present in the key row. The first point, take a key element. These two, divide it to all elements which are present in the key row. It means that 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. Understand? So one is there. The key column values all are equal to 0. Remaining values are 0 because it represents unit matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is why called as. So this is 0 over. The next, how to calculate the remaining value of the second row values here? Simple thing, our formula. What is the basic logic formula? A minus B into C by D. Or if you want to refer any textbooks, in the textbook they are using the methodology, different types of methodology, that is a row operation. Gauss-Jordan method. It's okay. That method is also correct. Better to use our logic method A. What is A? These are the assumption process. Let this as A. And the top is a B. A straight key column C. And this has the D. D is a fixed. That is a key element. What are the basic formula A? 1 minus 1 into 1 by 2. Take 2 as LCM. 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. Write down 1 by 2. Go to this over. This minus 1 A. This as A. The top one is a B. Key row. Always, it always goes to key column C and D. So minus 1. What is the basic formula? Minus 1. So that is minus 1 into B plus 1 into 1 by 2. Take this 2 minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Okay, next 0 minus 1 into this one. So minus 1 by 2 using our formula. 1 minus 0 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 1. Finish. The next value is ZJ. Same thing. What are the ZJ formula? ZJ. So ZJ means this is the ZJ values. Understand? So ZJ means using formula. ZJ is nothing but sigma Ca into Y. So it means that 2 into 1 plus 0 into 0. 2 into 1 plus 0 into 0. That is called as a 2. 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 0 into 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1, and 2 into 1 by 2 plus 0 into minus 1 by 2 1. That's 2 into 0 plus 0 into 1. That is called as a 0. Next go to Cj minus Zj. Same thing. Cj minus Zj. What are the Cj value here? The Cj is given the top row. 2. Listen, this is 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 1. Okay, 1 minus of minus 2, and 0 minus 1 minus 1, and 0 minus 0, that is called as a 0. 0 minus 0, 0. So for key row, select for key column, select a maximum positive value for key column. Now minimum ratio. What is the basic formula? Minimum ratio SV by Kc for the first iteration. SV 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2, that is equal to minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is also minus 1. And please, the important point, particularly in this problem, in a minimum ratio, if we have two negative values, immediately stop the problems, because it is an unbounded solution. What is the main definition of the minimum ratio? The main definition of the minimum ratio, better to select the minimum positive value. Here is a minimum positive value. If you have any minimum positive value, then select a minimum positive value for a key row. Then you go to the next operation, next iteration, operation or iterations, and etc. But here there is no all or two negative values, so they immediately stop the problem. It means that it is very difficult to find out the values of minimization or maximization or dual simplex method. So write down the statement, simple statement. So what are the statement here? So that is since it is difficult it is ah, it is difficult to decide departing variables as minimum ratio as minimum ratio have negative values. The given LP full stop, the given linear programming problem has got unbounded solution. Unbounded solution. Finish. Okay. Why? How can you say that the problem is unbounded solution? Unbounded solution means because in the minimum ratio, these two negative, this and negative, it means it is a very difficult to find out the value of key row value. Key row means always select the minimum positive value. Both are negative, immediately stop the problem, write down the statement what are the given problem. So this is a problem which are given, this, so dual to, in the, please come to the original question, find the dual of, if the question is given minimization, then you convert into opposite of the maximization. In a minimization, the variables contains x variables, better to take y variables. So minimization means these the values, two variables, it means 2, 1 is converted into maximization function, 2y1 plus 1y2. The next you go to the first equation, 2y1 plus 1y2 minus 1y2, the first corresponding minimization value, so 1. If it is equation is greater than or equal to, convert into less than or equal, like this. So after that convert, because it is a inequality equations, then you convert equal equations. Equal equation, better to, you know our ideas, our logic point. If the equations contains less than or equal to, better to introduce slack variables. If the equation contains greater than or equal to, better to introduce artificial and a slack variable. So like this. After that, take all elements and enter into the simplex table. Already you know the simplex table is a constant Cj, Ci, where I and j, ith column jth row, that's all. So next basic variable solution values. Don't write x1, x2 because the question is given dual, so that the simplex table contains y variables. It means this table, according to second case dual, you have to prepare the simplex table with the help of y1, y2 values only. Forget about the x1, x2. If you take x1, x2, that is general simplex method. General simplex method is not suitable here. Already the examination point of view, he already mentioned the dual, so dual values only. Now apply our conditions according to the key column and key row, Cj, Zj, next Cj minus Zj values and etc. And for the first iterations like this, for the first key column is a maximum positive values in Cj minus Zj row values. So these two, so to say that key column. Go to the key row. For the key row values, means if you want to find out the key row values, you have to first of all calculate the minimum ratio value. Minimum ratio value is SV by Kc. What are the SV? See, 1 by 2 here. Key column means of minus 1 by 2. Write down minus 1 like this, minus 1. If both are negative values, immediately stop the problem. Don't continue, because negative minimum ratio, if anyone is a positive out of these two, if anyone is a positive, so to say that take that row for the key row. Once if you will get a key column, key row, again apply same A, our logic point A minus B into C by D, like this only. So immediately both are negative, so that so since it is a difficulty to write down the decide the dependent variables, minimum ratio have negative values, the given LP has got unbounded. This is a very, very important. Unbounded solution means no solution. That's all. No maximization and no minimization. So now the problem is completed. Next, go to another problem. So
खूप अच्छे सर, खूप अच्छे. काय पण आप नहीं आ रहे? अच्छा, आप रजिस्ट्रेशन करा दिए? अरे हमारा थोड़ा सा ये धरनी पोर्टल बोल के आएगा, बाद धरनी पोर्टल में एंट्री कराना है प्रॉपर्टी को. हाँ कराना ना, नहीं होता समझो. वो खाली अबे वो बीच में केसीआर है लास्ट आज तो वो कराया जाओ तो घर घर को भेज के रबड़ रबड़ कर डाला. अब तो बॉम्बे दिल्ली वाले पूरे आके बैठ के लिए क्या ना उठा के क्या नहीं किसका प्रॉपर्टी कितना है देखना सारा दुनिया बात. हाँ इनकम टैक्स अरे कहीं के सब आधार कार्ड मारे तो आ जाता है ना. अब तू भी इनकम टैक्स आधार कार्ड लिंक लगा दिया ना. हाँ मेरा आधार कार्ड एक बार मारो आप 10 रुपये. हाँ रजिस्ट्रेशन पूरा बंद है दसरा तक वोट नहीं होता. वही अब नहीं होता दसरा ओपन होने के बाद रजिस्ट्रेशन. अब वही सोच अरे इतनी है वो ओनर के नीचे है सो 48-50 तक चले आते हैं. हाँ 48 पूछ रहा 48 से बढ़ रहा तो सुना मैं 48% तक था 50 बढ़ाया बोल के सुना फिर वेदर इट्स करेक्ट था नॉट आई डोंट नो. बिल्डर के नहीं है बिल्डर के पूरे खत्म. ओनर के नहीं ओनर का 600 ओनर का 600 ऊपर है थर्ड फ्लोर में. और क्या है नहीं बन सकता ओनर को उनका आज तक देखा भी नहीं मैं. नहीं 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 और लैंडलॉर्ड होने की भी नहीं बात हमारा हमेशा बिल्डर से टचअप में. हाँ डेली आ रहे हैं कल मिले थे आज भी वहीं 6 साइड पे कल रात में 2 साइड डोर्स फिक्स करा तो मैं बोला कि भाई प्लम्बिंग काम करा डोर्स कराओ जी का. नहीं देखा नहीं सब रात में निकले देखा नहीं शाम में इधर बाहर हूँ मैं शाम में जाके देखा. हाँ मैं तो हाँ हाँ बोल दो सर जरूर जरूर. हाँ बोल दो हाँ जरूर जरूर बोल दो सर जरूर जरूर जरूर. సార్ భోజనం చేశారా? 1:30 to 1 లంచ్, 1 o'clock మళ్ళీ మొదలెట్టాం. ఓకే సార్, క్యారీ ఆన్. ఎవరు సార్ పని చేయలేదు మంచి సార్ ఎవరో మెయిల్ ఓపెన్ చేసి క్లోజ్ చేసి